Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Today, we are going to start our first chapter of General Knowledge subject. The first topic is mammals. First of all, what is mammals? Mammals are warm-blooded animals which give birth to babies and feed them with their milk. Means mammals are those animals they give the birth to babies and also feed them with their milk. For example, cows, goat, buffalo, chimpanzees are the known as the mammals. We can know about the mammals, how we can judge the mammals, like they have hair on their bodies, as well as also most of them have external ears. They have the ears as well as hair on the bodies. If you want to know more about mammals, then answer the following questions. Take help from the clue box. The clue box is here. If you can. So, we got knowledge about mammals with the help of these questions. So, let's start. Question first is, which is the most intelligent mammal after human on the earth? Who is the most intelligent mammal after humans on the earth? The name of that mammals is the chimpanzee. The chimpanzees are those most intelligent mammal after the human on the earth. The second question is, which is the only mammal that is naturally capable of flying? Which mammal is naturally capable of flying? The bat. B-A-T. Who can naturally fly? The third question is, which mammal run the fastest among all the four-legged land animals? Which mammal run the fastest among the four-legged land animals? The name of that animal is cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. The fourth question is, which is the largest mammal on the earth? The largest mammal on the earth is, which is the largest mammal on the earth? Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest mammal on the earth. The fifth question is, name the tallest mammal on the earth. The tallest mammal is giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest mammal on the earth. The sixth question is, name the largest land mammal which communicates with others of its own species using infrafrequency sound waves. First, largest land mammal, and that mammal communicates with their others of its own species using infrafrequency sound waves, which is the elephant. The elephant is the largest land mammal. The seventh question is, which Australian mammal, if it goes near water, often washes its food? The name of the Australian mammal, if it goes near water, often washes its food is raccoon. The raccoon is the Australian mammal. The eighth question is, which mammal has the head of a cow, the skeleton of a bison, the tail of a horse, the hair of a goat, and which grunts like a pig? Here they ask us, which mammal has the head of a cow, skeleton of a bison, tail of a horse, hair of a goat, and which grunts like a pig? The name of that is yak, Y-A-K. The ninth question is, which mammal can run for hours at the speed of 3 km per hour? Which mammal can run? The wolf, WOLF. The 10th question is, which mammal, when in danger, pretends to be dead? Which mammal, when in the danger, it laid like a dead, is dead? Then opossum. The opossum is a mammal, when it in danger, it pretends to be dead. So, there are the extra bites. There is a myth that when the cat crosses the way, the walk is spoiled or failure. It is just a matter of belief. So, it is a myth. It is not truth. The interesting facts are that the vampire bat is the only mammal which lives exclusively on the diet of blood of other animals. The vampire bat who live on the blood of other animals, and the bumblebee bat is the smallest of all bats. It is the smallest of all bats and reveals the Etherixian shrew when it comes to being the smallest mammal on the earth. The bumblebee bat is the smallest animal on the earth. So, this is the end of the first chapter, and with the help of the cue box, we solved all the questions. Hope you understand the today topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.